In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise your business on Facebook. Starting off, advertising on Facebook is a powerful way to reach potential customers, but it can be a bit tricky if you're new to the platform. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it as easy and seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the central hub from where you'll manage all your advertising campaigns on Facebook. It's quite straightforward to access it. Simply go to the Facebook Business Manager website. Once there, you'll find yourself at the gates of Facebook's advertising world. Next up, you're going to log in using your Facebook account. There's a clear button for login with Facebook, so you can't miss it. This is a standard procedure and ensures that your advertising activities are tied to your Facebook profile, keeping everything centralized and secure. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to proceed with. This step is especially crucial if you manage multiple pages or have different roles across several business accounts. Make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion down the line. Once you're in, direct your attention to the lower left panel of your screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Ads. Clicking here will segue you into the heart of Facebook's ad management tools. Following that, you'll see an option for Ads Manager. This is your command center for creating, managing, and tracking your advertising campaigns. If you're aiming for a shortcut, remember you can directly access Facebook Ads Manager via its dedicated URL. Now it's time to get down to business. In the Ads Manager, navigate to the campaign section. This area is where the magic happens, allowing you to oversee all your advertising initiatives under one roof. Ready to launch a new campaign? Click on the Create button. This is your first step towards advertising glory. The setup process is user-friendly, guiding you through each stage with ease. After clicking Create, it's time to give your campaign a name. Be thoughtful here. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose or theme of your campaign. This will help keep things organized, especially as you scale up your advertising efforts over time. Next, you'll need to either add your ad set or create a new one. The ad set level is where you define your targeting criteria, budget, and scheduling. Think of it as the backbone of your campaign, dictating who sees your ads and how resources are allocated. Once your ad set is neatly configured, hit Continued. This will take you deeper into the ad creation process, granting you the tools to craft compelling ad content that resonates with your audience. Speaking of content, it's now time to add more details to your ads. This encompasses everything from the ad copy and images to call to action buttons. The creatives you select and the messages you convey are critical to your ad's performance. Take your time here to ensure your ads not only capture attention, but also inspire action. Lastly, after refining your ads and reviewing all settings, you're ready to publish. Click on the Publishes button to set your campaign in motion. Congratulations, you've officially launched your Facebook advertising campaign. Keep in mind, the world of Facebook advertising is dynamic, with ongoing learning and optimization. Monitor your campaign's performance closely, experiment with different creatives and targeting options, and adjust your strategies based on data insights. This proactive approach will help you maximize your return on investment and achieve your advertising goals. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope these steps have demystified the process of advertising on Facebook for you. Remember, each campaign offers new opportunities to learn and improve, so don't be afraid to dive in and start experimenting. Happy advertising and see you in the next video.